we are going to convert this entire static HTML page and make it look cool like this. It has two input fields for username and the password, followed by the submit button. And it has animations, it has transitions, and so much more. And we do all that with just CSS. Here's how. But first, let's complete this HTML part quick. Open the index.html, first add a container, and then a form with an h1 tag, two text boxes for username and the password, another container for forget password, the submit button, and a register link. And that's it. HTML, check. Now let's jump to CSS. Let's add a background image. Okay, not what we wanted, but we are getting somewhere. Let's keep going. Style the container, add frames for the animation, style the heading, and then the text box, the input field inside the text box, and add a color to the placeholder inside the input field, icon style. And we are almost there, just a few more styles left to do. The forgot password div, the remember me label, the anchor tags for the forgot password, and then style the submit button, and now the register link container, followed by the relevant hyperlink styling. And that's it. CSS, check. Now let's look at the finished web page. And that's it, the end. Now click the link on screen to check out my most magnificent video yet.